thing I noticed, you have a ring. Nitabidi watu waone. Na nikijuzi tu
I'm engaged.
On a serious note? Pia uko soko like
nilikuwa soko so siwezi kutoka. I'm engaged. That's how fast life goes. So you have to move with it.
What's up, good people? We are coming to you from the Collegium by King Kaka, opulence of the city, and we're right here with our beautiful girl, Kiwunta. How you doing?
I'm fine.
You're looking amazing.
Thank you.
Who dressed you, Mama?
I dressed myself. This is Colors by D.
Wow.
This is me.
This you.
Yes.
10 over 10. Hii hatutoi hata moja. Ama utajipea ngapi?
I think 100.
Amesema ngapi?
100.
Yeah, but that's it. To be genuine and open to you looking so good. Umeua. That's the assignment.
Opulence.
I know, right? So we are here because of King Kaka. First of all, the moment you entered here, what would you say is your highlight for tonight?
Fashion. I think I saw people dressed extremely different from most events I've been to. So I think they showed up and showed off. Yeah.
Do you have anything that you're expecting tonight?
Good music and something new. More from what we've always listened to. Yeah.
You know, maybe what is that one thing that you love about King Kaka now that it's his big day?
He's different from any musician out there. He's lyrically smart, and I can relate to most of his songs. They have a message. Yeah, he's unique in short.
Yeah. And when Kemunto arrived here, one thing I noticed, you have a ring. Nitabidi watu waone. Na nikijuzi tu
I'm engaged.
On a serious note?
Pia uko soko like
nilikuwa soko so siwezi kutoka. I'm engaged. That's how fast life goes. So you have to move with it. That's how fast life moves.
When did the proposal happen, and maybe why did you opt not to maybe post it on social media?
Because the last time I made a mistake, it was on public. So I didn't want to repeat the same mistake.
So let me ask you this question, Mama, because you're
acha niwafungulie hivi ndo mnione vizuri.
Fungulie tu kuone vizuri. You just mentioned that you're engaged, and I know the same question yenye tutauliza ndo watu wanataka kujua. Huyu mtu is he someone who is on public, ama ni mtu private, and maybe with time will you post that person on social media?
Mtakuwa mnaona sikio moja, kidole moja. Nikienda sana kisogo. Yes. He's not in public. Yeah.
And I don't know whether I'm forgetting. I think ilikuwa jana ama ni leo. Our very own Iani posted that anatoa ngoma, and people are like, with everything that happened, might be because of hiyo ngoma inatoka. Could he be the one who made that proposal?
No, he's never proposed to me. This is someone totally different. And I kukua Kiki. Wait, you guys, I cried. That's a lot. It was not Kiki.
Actually, what we do Kiki.
Maybe anafanya Kiki na mtu mwingine, but it's not me. But I was not doing Kiki. I was serious.
We saw him making captions on Instagram that looked like it was Kiki.
Cryptic captions.
Yeah.
I know, right?
So there was one alisema ati wanasema hawajui kwangu, and
yeah, it was cryptic. Maybe the song iko na hizo lyrics ndani na sijui, but it was not involving me. I swear.
Allow me to ask you this question. In a week already engaged. Huyu mtu ni mtu mlikuwa mmejua na kitambo ama mlikutana tu mkapendana?
Fungua DM, funguanga DMs.
So DM
ukifungua DM, I never used to open DMs until recently. So I was like, why not?
Then you said yes. Then akakuengage. What next?
See, now I'm waiting for my big day.
I think the question Trudy was trying to ask was, for how long did you guys talk before the proposal? Because I understand, they start
72 hours.
Before proposal. Opening a DM 72 hours a proposal.
Yes.
A lot of ladies out there will be like, kwa nini? What do you want from
kila mtu anataka mtu ametoka soko. So I'm happy, guys.
But you must have a reason to why you decided to move on that fast.
Yeah.
This is not true.
But seriously, guys, let me now be honest, yeah?
Yeah, please.
I got someone who was like, is it a ring you just want? I said, yeah, and not just any ring, an expensive ring. Niko na ile machine ya ku nini?
I wish we had one
You
here.
tap on this.
No, tuambie tu how much?
I can't say it will look like, you know, but mimi, can I be honest? Sijaona huyo mtu.
Alitumana tu ringi kakuja, lakini hujamwona.
Is there anything between the two of you?
It will be. I will force it. It will be.
Have you shot your shot?
I have. Already. Yes, I have.
So right now, okay, because ulikuwa in a relationship na ikaisha.
Yeah.
Your ideal man for now, because of course when you have the ring na hujamwona.
My ideal
Your
man.
ideal man.
I just don't want to cry. I don't want to. Let me point out two things. I don't want a man I'll teach how to treat me. That is number one. I don't want to tell you what to do for me. I want you to do it without me saying. So that is number one. Number two, respect. And number three, communication. That's it.
What will happen if we see you some days, you know, with the person you propose that you guys have broken up? You know, it happens.
Yeah, you'll see me maybe being supportive to his music, but I'm not gonna pay to enter a show again.
Do you guys talk?
No, we don't talk
You don't talk?
at all.
You have his number?
Yes, I have.
Okay. If maybe he comes and says, let's make things work again.
As friends, yeah, it
No,
will.
no, no, not as friends. As lovers.
It can't work.
You can't
because-
give him another chance?
For me to step out, it means I already cleared everything to do with him. Boundaries. It can't happen.
The worst thing you experienced when you with him. That's one thing you feel like alikukosea sana. Inafanya hata mwezi rudiana.
So many things, but I can't say them here because there are so many people surrounding us.
Yeah.
But I think I highlighted most of them to do with my third relationship, Papa Alex. But for me to come out and talk about it, it was hurting so much. And I'm one person who doesn't talk, so it was a moment of me to put it out there. But yeah, I'm healed now, I'm okay. Yeah.
Tukifanya hesabu zetu vizuri, it's like a week and 3-4 days since, okay, not met but found a new man. Watu watauliza, how do you know that this is the one? Je, akifanya tena pia ulia? Because you know at times.
Maanisha ule mwingine ulikuwa unalia wapi?
Kwa kitanda.
But thank God right now you're not trying, you know, talking about it.
Nimechoka kulia sasa, guys.
Yeah.
But muni wish well. Muni wish
Yeah,
well.
definitely.
A girl just wants to feel loved. Sitaki doa hata.
Right, what would you tell your new man looking at these cameras?
Baby, I love you so much. And I know you love me too.
Is he in the country?
No, he's not in the country, of course.
Is he Kenyan?
No, he's not Kenyan.
Is he African?
No, he's not African.
Wow.
Wa Kenya umekuchosha?
Mkuona nikisema let me try white?
Oh yeah.
Let me try white, I'm done. Nimechoka but I tried. Nimeenda kila tribe. Nimeshamaliza. Acha nivuke border. Yes, so ni border nilivuka.
Yeah. Okay, maybe to a young lady who is watching you and she akosile sa. Kwa umejaribu kule umesema
Haiwezi.
akosile sa. Hebu ushangukia mzungu ya. Siri ni gani?
Open your DMs, guys. Fungueni DMs. Kuna mambo mingi. Yes, why not?
How many times?
No, I go for it. I don't wait for it to come my way. Yeah.
So okay, let me ask, I don't know kama ushaiuliza hii swali. For yani wewe ndo ulishoot ama yeye ndo alishoot?
Yeye ndiye alishoot. Pale TikTok. Yeah, tulipatana TikTok.
Tulipatana TikTok.
Yes. Na mimi nikashoot back. I did. Nilishoot back. Yes. Uliza tu.
But the good thing about she, anajibu everything. So
me, I'm a free spirit. I'm an open book.
Yeah. The worst thing you've ever done as a woman in a relationship. Like this is the crazy. Let me say, niseme was the crazy thing you've ever done
for love. Actually, I've loved twice in my life. That is my daddy and my past. So the worst thing I've done for love is giving too much. I can say more crazy things, but I wouldn't say them.
You give too much.
No. It's not money related. But yeah, I gave out so much. I gave myself too much. Yeah. It's not the worst to say here, but I would have said worse.
It's okay. So sawa. Just tukikaka basi tukimaliza.
Hi, thanking himself. I want to say thank you for giving me this chance to attend your Coliseum. You know Sininguvu, guys.
I know.
Sininguvu.
Coliseum.
Coliseum. Yeah, I'm humbled to be here. It's not every day I get this chance to, And as I told you, I'll show up and show off. And
You really did.
So thank you guys for giving me the platform.
Asante pia orders.
We appreciate for the time.
Thank you.
We love you.
Na mkiona mtu mwambie